guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm actually out. I'm at soccer practice actually. So if you hear a lot of banging in the background, the girls are practicing. We are gearing up for our trip to Orlando to the playoffs. I hope y'all can hear me because I don't. Yeah, but the girls are coming in.
Later.
It's days later since the last time I vlogged, and I literally just got back home. We were out. We went to brunch with one of hubby's friends, well, our friends that was in town again. And I purposely didn't bring my camera because I didn't know how she would feel about, whatever. But yeah, like I said, we were out to brunch. It was the whole fam. We're finally back home. We went to drop off some stuff for our niece, and like I said, we're home. I am tired, but Layla wants me to take her because she wants to catch some Pokemon because she plays Pokemon Go. My brother got her into playing. Well, you guys know she loves Pokemon, but she's new to the game, and there's a Stop. Is that what it's called? That's close by, and she wants me to take her. So I don't want her to go by herself. So yeah, I'm gonna take her. Yeah. Brunch was great. The place was okay. I give it like a 5. The atmosphere, I must say, was great. The atmosphere was great. The waiters, they were friendly. They were nice. But the food, y'all need to do better.
The following day.
Sir! I can't even talk. Okay, so Sunday dinner. Oven roasted chicken, asparagus, corn, and I made some mashed potatoes. Well, I call it my dirty mash because it's kind of like potato salad, but I leave the skin on, and the kids love it like that. So that's for dinner. Okay, so this is dinner. Yum. I have little guys on here cooling because yes, he does. Yeah, we hear you. We hear you. Yeah, this is hubby's plate, and the girls are already eating. And as y'all can hear, he needs my attention. So yeah, but yeah, this is what dinner looks like. You know, a little something, something, something. Yes. Everybody ate. Well, everybody except me, as per usual. But everybody got dinner. I'm about to start the girl's hair. Yeah, but today's vlog, the first vlog of the year, goes up today. Yeah. Oh my goodness. But yeah, in the previous clip you guys saw what I made for dinner. I didn't film that part. Y'all see me cook way too much, but yeah, I did show you guys what I made. Your dinner's on the counter. Yeah. So now I am cleaning. I think Ali is in there. I'm clearing out some files. Well, some raw footage, because I don't keep my raw footages. Well, I'm running low on memory, so memory, same thing, SD card, and I had just got one last month, but you know, I'm ranting at this point. Yeah, so I need space, so I'm clearing out some of the raw footages that I have that I don't necessarily need anymore. There's some that I do keep. Okay. Good morning. Let's get these kids ready. Well, first, I have to start making lunch first. Then I'm gonna wake them up. Excuse my raspy voice. Yeah. Let's go.
I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together with the roof right over our head.
Okay, so here is lunch. They have their wontons, their spring rolls. I gave them some cheese sticks and a little bit of chips. Chips, Lay's. Yeah, it's the same thing, and their little sauce for their spring rolls. And that's lunch. Benito is gonna keep them warm. I'm going to give them a fork. They usually use chopsticks. And that's lunch. And they're about to be off. Well, I still did it in record time. Even made them breakfast. Say morning, girls. Morning. Yeah, so yeah, that's lunch. Alright, all zipped up. Ready? Okay, so tell the vlog you'll see them later. Hold on. Grab your lunch bag. Alright, let's go. I'm back. I dropped off Aaliyah. Layla just left. And before I close out today's vlog, I wanted to do some juicing because it's been a minute since I juiced. And because we haven't been feeling well, this will be perfect right now. And it's going to be kid friendly. It's not a detox. I just make it kid friendly. So that's going to be the clip that you guys are going to see right now before I end the vlog. It looks like I'm beginning the day, but I'm actually ending this vlog so I can start next week's vlog. So yeah. So if after you guys see that and I don't come back on, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe to my channel. It is greatly appreciated, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Oh, come on. Liquid gold and I'm wasting it. Oh no. It's not as cold as I would like it, so I add some ice cubes. Oh my goodness, look how much I wasted. Oh, I'm so mad. The girls are gonna be so upset if I drink all this and they don't get none. Oh, this is not fully green juice, but oh yeah. I know y'all can't see me, but oh yeah.